Hello everybody. So another thing I'm doing today is I've got a new sound chip for my Fairbairn tank. So this is the speaker and this is the chip which does fit inside the smoke box, and then I've had to cut away the two fasteners that were in the bottom of the cold tank, and then I can fit the speaker in here, and then take that out, and then that'll simply glue back on there, and the cable comes through from the chip through the back and then up into the speaker. So that's probably the best way it's the only way I can seem to find to fit the speaker. And then once it's going, I'll let you hear what it sounds like.